Everyone memorizes V equals to I times R, but almost nobody actually understands what it means. Does voltage push current? Does resistance block electricity? And why does changing one value affect the others? Today you'll see Ohm's law working, not just memorize it. What beginners usually think. Voltage creates a fixed current. Resistance kills electricity. Current flows the same no matter what. The formula is just something to calculate homework answers. People think voltage, current, and resistance act independently. They don't realize they are tightly connected. Changing one forces the others to respond. In reality, these three are always linked. Voltage is pressure. More push from the source. Current is flow rate. How much charge moves? Resistance is pipe width. Narrow pipe makes it harder to flow. More push makes more flow. More resistance makes less flow. Flow depends on both push and resistance. Current happens because voltage pushes charge through resistance. Voltage pushes charges to current flows through resistance. More push makes more current. More opposition equals to less current. Resistance controls how much current is allowed. No resistance means nothing limits current. Too much current damages components. Resistance protects circuits. Engineers use this relationship constantly to control behavior. Voltage pushes charge. Resistance controls the push. And current is what actually flows.